Thank you sa pag-click ng aking video. Good day po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Sa mga bagong viewers at napadaan lang, by the way, I'm Tita Eda. Welcome to my channel. Ang channel na maghahatid sa iyo ng dagdag kaalaman tungkol sa government services, bagong mga balita at informative videos na galing sa legit na resources. Mag-subscribe na para updated.
For quite a while. We have with us Miss Annalisa Salud.
Good morning.
Person.
Yes, good morning.
Yes, Miss
Your
Salud,
Honor.
you're recognized, please.
Yes po. Good morning everyone, to all the senators and to all the speakers po. I'm Annalisa Salud po, the Social Pension Social Welfare Officer 4 of the
I'm just wondering,
DSWD.
ma'am, sorry, you can show yourself. Are you having a hard time connecting or with your internet connection? Because we can't see
Yes,
you
sir.
here. So you're having a hard time. Okay, we will allow you to speak.
Mr. Chair.
Yes,
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Ordan.
Gusto ko lang pong mag-react doon sa sinabi.
Yeah,
Binay,
sir, we'll do
Mr.
that.
Flo.
I'll give you the floor after this, sir, if I may. Sorry, pasensya na kung
Yes, sir.
can you just
Yes,
hear
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
SWD and then I'll get back to you, sir.
Okay. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Yes, thank you. Miss Salud,
Yes,
Please.
Your Honor, sir.
thank you. Please proceed.
As I've mentioned, I'm the social pension focal person of the Department of Social Welfare and Development, and I was tasked to attend to this hearing po, and I will share with you the position paper, which was also submitted to the to the House of Representatives Committee on Appropriations. The Department of Social Welfare and Development fully supports the substitute bill on the provision of the monthly social pension from 500 pesos to 1,000 pesos. The DSWD humbly believes that the enactment of the substitute bill will help to sustain the daily needs of senior citizens for survival, including their medical requirements. However, the future implementation and budget should be given to the, as we all know, the National Commission of Senior Citizens, wherein all programs of the older persons will be transferred by virtue of Republic Act 11350. So the SWD is in full support of these provisions po. This is in consideration of the fact that the expected full transition of the programs to the NCSC is also started since last year po, and the responsibilities and funds being given to the DSWD must already be directed to the NCSC from year to 2022 onwards. So the universal social pension also, as mentioned by our representatives from the NAPSI, Ma'am Salvacion Basiano, we are really looking into that implementation of the universal social pension in order to accommodate all the indigent senior citizens and also the actually the more or less the general population of the senior citizens. For now po, as mentioned po, the social pension has a total budget of 25 billion pesos this year. Okay, which we have a target of 3.8 million beneficiaries or indigent senior citizens. So far, for 2021, we already utilized the total budget of 90% po, 20 billion 613 million 504,000 pesos out of the 23 billion 458 million 267,000 po for 2021 po. So 90% na po ang na-utilize natin last year. So medyo may mga mga hindi pa po nabayaran last year po due to considering po yung COVID-19 po and all other challenges po na na-encounter po ng ating field offices. So we are really in support of the universal social pension and the increase of the amount from 500 to 1,000 or more maybe for consideration in our legislators and our budget. That's all. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, Ms. Salud, you made mention that the DSW disposition is for the transferring of your work of distributing and managing social pension, transferring from DSWD to NCSA. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Since
your position.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Mr. Chairman,
let me just ask. Okay,
Mr. Chairman.
Senator Nancy. Yes,
Ne-
you have the floor.
following your question, Mr. Chairman, just for clarification, parang nabanggit ho din niya kanina na parang for this year, may nalipat na sila na pondo sa NCSC. Tama po ba?
Senator, Your Honor, wala pa po na transfer sa NCSC na funding po. Nasa DSWD pa rin po and also this year po sa 2022 nasa GAA pa rin po na under ng DSWD budget po.
Okay, but for next year, willing na kayo na hindi ilagay sa inyo? Parang, following the question of our chairman.
Parang ganun, ma'am.
Okay.
That's their
Yes,
position.
Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Senator Binay. No, Miss Salud. So, right now, how many qualified senior citizens currently not receiving the monthly stipend?
Not receiving, sir.
Not receiving.
Apo. As of December
Hindi
31 po, sir, 2021, we already serve a total of, wait lang.
Because for 2021, the target is 3,835,066.
Yes, sir. As of December 31, 2021, we already serve a total of 3,433,131 or 89.52% out of
Yes.
the total target of 3.4 million.
Mr. Chairman.
Kulang mga 400,000.
3.8, sorry po. Yes,
Yeah.
there,
So kulang-kulang 400,000 yung mga qualified senior citizens na hindi nakakatanggap. What's the reason why
yes,
why they are in your waiting list, so to speak?
Apo. Yes, Your Honor po. Ang remaining po na more or less 400,000 na hindi pa nabayaran po ay mababayaran po siya this quarter po, January to March. Considering na may mga cancellation po ng payouts during the previous quarters po last year. So, marami po talaga ang hindi na bayaran last end of the 2021 po, sir. So, we already obligated the funds and the payouts will be scheduled this January to March po para matapos po yung remaining na mga unpaid beneficiaries po.
Yes, just to be clarified, no, you're saying in the first quarter of the year, you will be able to reach yung kulang-kulang 400,000 na qualified senior citizens na
Yes.
makakatanggap.
Opo.
You already identify, you already know where to go, you already know how to do it.
Yes po, may mga payroll na po yun. Ang scheduling lang po ng payouts ang na-delays po.
Mr. Chairman?
Yes, can I give the floor to Sen Risa and then Sen Nancy? Nagtaas lang ng una si Sen Risa, Sen Nancy.
Baka lang.
Sorry.
Ako,
Sige,
just one
Sen
quick
Risa.
question lang, Sen
Okay.
Risa. Yung numbers lang.
Alright,
Kasi
Sen
yung,
Nancy.
gusto ko lang itanong yung target ba ng DSW is the actual number of indigent senior citizens. And siguro, can
Not even.
DSWD spread into the records? Ano ba talaga yung numero based on their data ng indigent na senior citizens?
Yes, Senator. Ang basis po ng indigent senior citizens namin po, of course, yung nasa criteria po ng RA 9994. And ang actual data po ay nanggagaling po sa ating DSWD field offices in coordination with the local government units. Those senior citizens who are applying or coming into the DSWD, mga walk-in clients, mga referrals po, ayun po ay sinasubject po for validation ng ating mga staff or personnel sa DSWD field offices. But yun pong as of December 31 po, we already have a total as of January 21, we already have a total of 4,599,589 validated senior citizens po. So kasama na po dito ang ating target na 3.8 million. So more or less, mayroon po tayong 700,000 na mga indigent senior citizens na isi-serve po based sa validation po.
So 4 million sa bilang, more or less 4 million sa bilang niya yung indigent senior citizens.
Yes po.
Yun lang po, Mr. Chairman. Thank you. Thank you, Sen
Thank
Risa.
you, Senator Risa.
Thank you po.
You're welcome,
And then
Sen
we
Nancy.
give the floor
Salamat,
after
Mr.
Senator Risa kay Kong Ordonez. Thank you.
Yes po. Quick follow-up question lang po sa DSWD kay Ma'am Annalisa. Ma'am, tama po, for the record lang po, tama po ba yung narinig ko na ang DSWD naglo-look forward kayo, sinusuportahan nyo yung universal social pension of 1,000 pesos or more. Universal. So, lahat ng indigent senior citizens, pero dagdag pa sa kanila, lahat po ng senior citizens. Tama po ba for the record, Ma'am Annalisa?
Yes po. Considering po na marami po ang senior citizens na nangangailangan din po ng ng social pension po aside from our existing beneficiaries po. Marami po tayong mga natatanggap na mga request or complaints considering na sa mga medical and health condition po ng ating senior citizens.
Agree
Okay,
po.
Ms. Salud, sorry, Senator Risa. No, Ms. Salud,
Yes,
you're
Chairman.
saying, because there's a big difference between increasing the monthly social pension of senior citizens from 500 to 1,000 and universal social pension. So you're saying,
Opo.
Ms. Annalisa, that you are supporting DSWD's position is not only increasing the monthly social pension, but also the universal social pension.
Opo.
Just to be clarified, because these are two different.
Yes po.
That is the position of DSWD. Okay.
Kakayanin po.
You know what you're saying, because we take note of
Yes.
your position. Thank you.
Salamat,
Congressman
Mr. Chair,
Ordonez.
kasi importante po yun, hindi lang deserve ng lahat ng senior citizens, yung indigent plus yung iba pa. Salamat, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. We give the floor to Kong Ordonez. We promise him to baka meron po kayong question din sa DSWD before we start asking questions.
Natutuwa po ako dun sa sinabi ng DSWD na sinusuportahan nila yung universal. Sa totoo lang po, na ako ay umupo bilang pumalit sa yumaong Congressman Datol. Ang una ko pong tinutukan ay ang universal pension po. Yan po ang aking isinulong. Kasama ang palad po, hindi po ako nakalusot doon sa universal pension. Kaya po tayo ay napunta ron sa social pension. Sa social pension po, medyo nahirapan pa rin po tayo. Kasi nga, ang unang problema, sinasabi, ay ang pondo. Nasa panahon ng pandemya, wala pong pondo ang gobyerno. So napunta po tayo rin sa social pension. Now, sa social pension po, ay napakabigat po ng requirements, ng qualification. You must be an indigent, frail, kailangan mahina ka po, sickly, with disability. Kaya po maraming senior citizens ang nagre-reklamo, bakit ako senior na hindi pa ako nakakatanggap? So, ang ginawa po natin dun sa social pension, pinagaan po natin yung requirements. Tinanggal na po natin yung indigent, frail, sickly, with disability. Ang ginawa na lang po natin, no permanent source of income. So, dun po sa 3.8 na tumatanggap ngayon itong 2021, ako po ay naniniwala na marami po ang madadagdag dyan. Subalit, kung ating aaprubahan ang universal pension, mas pabor po ako ron. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Congressman Ordonez, and we understand where you're coming from, and I think all of us here, especially those in Congress, whether you're in the House or in the Senate, we're all aware of how legislation works, and we have, for example, in the Senate, you have 24 republics, and you have to listen to each one of them, and you know how it is, and we are definitely for whatever we can do, as much as we can give help dun sa ating mga senior citizens.
So ayan mga guys, if you find this video very helpful at nagustuhan mo itong video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos na aking i-upload. Thank you ulit sa pag-tune in nyo sa aking channel. Again, this is Tita Eda. If you have questions and you want information, just visit Tita Eda's channel. Continue to be a blessing and stay safe.